Phillip Island traffic, Lima Sierra Papa on base, runway 04, Phillip Island. Too high and too close again. $70 knots. Final stage. A lot of crosswind now. 500 feet, 80 knots. Told you we're always going to do a go around anyway, but
yeah, exactly.
Way too close.
The downwind spacing was really good, but it just turned base a little bit too soon.
That's right.
Those houses are close.
They are, aren't they? 300, that'll do me. Okay, one stage up. Got some speed, let's climb. Second stage. Phillip Island traffic, Lima Sierra Papa going round runway 04, Phillip Island. Final stage. I'll see if I can get a straight in approach at Moorabbin going, eh?
Yeah. Coming in from Karen's nice and easy when they're using 3.5.
That's right. Now when you're turning here, you can't turn before Churchill Island.
Yep, I just noted that in the ERSA.
Yep. Okay, no traffic left, no traffic centre, no traffic right. See the windmills?
Oh, yep.
Phillip Island traffic, Lima Sierra Papa departing on crosswind, runway 04, Phillip Island. Looks like crosswind to me. So we get up to 2.5 again. $90 knots, 900 feet a minute.
Do you want to give this a try for the way back?
Yeah, that's right. So we'll get up to 2.5.
Yep. Do you know how to use it for the climb? I could.
If you like, yeah.
So you want to come, what, do you want to say 3.5?
Yep.
Then altitude, so you set 700 feet vertical speed.
Yep.
And then I'll hold a heading.
Yep.
And let go.
That's okay. And how did you set the vertical speed?
So this, the altitude, so you can go between the height set and the vertical speed.
Yep. Oh, I see. Yep. Okay, so that's 2.5.
Yep.
So did you set it at 2.5 or 3.5?
3.5 now.
Okay.
And you just put the heading bug where you want.
Yep. Okay, so what are we doing for radios here? Let's go to COM 2, listen in.
And there you go, yep.
Summit 89, 1632 today. Zulu Foxtrot Juliet, just confirm your squawking code 2000 with Mud Charlie. Yeah, we got...
Can't get used to wearing sunnies.
No, I put them, it looks funny, but I put them above my headset like that.
Paint on you there, but no secondary.
I just can't see through them as well.
Oh, okay.
Zulu Foxtrot Juliet, thanks, that's come up now. We're just still chasing your plan, stand by.
If it's too hard, we can downgrade to VFR, go 2.5.
No, we'll get you going and just got to chase.
So when we get to 3,300,
yep,
that's approaching my altitude. It should give me a warning.
it should start coming down, yeah.
It's 563, leaving flight level 340.
And then once it levels out, you get the power yourself.
Yep.
See the vertical speed sort of coming down now?
Yep.
Phillip Island
Who wants to go?
Foxtrot Quebec, Cessna 172 is overhead the field, 2,500. Departing for Cold.
Coming down now.
Zulu Foxtrot Juliet, squawk 0431.
0431, Zulu Foxtrot Juliet.
Jetstar 563, descend to flight level 160. 60, Jetstar 563. Zulu Foxtrot Juliet identified to the west of Turin by about 8 miles, and just confirm maintaining 4,000 now, the area QNH 1018. 1018, and yeah, we're maintaining 4,000.
We'll set that to 0 when it gets to 3,500.
Phillip Island traffic, helicopter, uniform Alpha Sierra Squirrel type. Taxi to departure, report speed. Runway 22, vacuum right and track to the Phillip Island racetrack for the local scenic. Not above 1,200 feet, Phillip Island traffic. Jetstar 563, increase your speed, now make it 300 knots above 10,000.
Okay, so that's holding.
Yep.
So, do you actually fly it on the bug?
Yeah, if you want to.
Okay, so let's come around to 330.
Yeah, 10 degrees.
Just by the way, I don't know whether you heard there was a chopper taking off at Phillip Island called 22.
Oh, okay.
They don't care about fixed wing traffic. They always take off in the 22 direction.
Yep.
Velocity 324, contact departures 118.9, okay.
Okay, not interested in Phillip Island anymore.
678, leaving flight level 30. Qantas 678.
Lovely day for it.
It is, isn't it?